Hi everyone. This is my first time doing an online dating video. Let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I love cats. I really like cats. I'm sorry, I'm just getting a little emotional. But yeah. Oh, I'm thinking about the cats again. I just love cats so much. I just love their furry little faces. I just love them. All I want to do is collect all the cats in the world and make a giant mountain and roll down that giant mountain. I just love cats so much. Oh, my little kitty. My love of my life, come here. Let mommy clean you up. Oh, you like that? Let mommy clean you up. You like that, little kitty? Oh, come on, you like that? Yum, 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 yum. You like that? Kitty, it sounds like somebody's at the door. Hello, ma'am? I heard that you really like kitties. I freaking love kitties. Well, ma'am, I love kitties too. No way! You want to come upstairs and see my kitty? Yes!